Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tonneau cover, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, power brakes, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, heated seats, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.